In this video, you're gonna learn how to reheat your cooked rotisserie chicken in the oven the right way so it heats up while keeping the juices in. Hi, I'm Laura, and on this channel, I share lots of how-to cooking videos and healthier family meals so you can get a meal on the table really quick. And using a rotisserie chicken is one great way to save time in the kitchen. First, I should tell you that a rotisserie chicken, just like any cooked chicken, can stay in the fridge for 3 to 4 days. The best place to keep it is at the top and back of the fridge, since that's the furthest away from the door and the coldest place. Reheating chicken in the oven is the method that yields the juiciest chicken meat, and it's worth the 25 to 30 minutes that's gonna take. This is a great time to make some sides to serve it with, which I'm gonna link a few of my favorites for you below. You'll learn how to heat it up whole and if you have leftovers. First, the whole rotisserie chicken. You're gonna take it out of the fridge and transfer it out of the plastic tray into a 9x13 oven-safe baking dish. You'll also wanna preheat the oven to 350 Fahrenheit and place the top rack in the middle of the oven. To the chicken, you're gonna add about a cup of water, chicken broth, or stock. This is a crucial step so that when it heats up, the heat will generate steam, which will moisten the chicken as it heats up. After that, you're gonna cover it with foil and seal it around to trap the steam. Once the oven is hot, take the chicken and heat it up in there for about 25 minutes. Then take it out of the oven, remove the foil, and continue baking it for an additional 5 minutes to crisp up the skin. By the way, if you're finding this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up so I know to make more of them on my channel for you. Now, if you're heating up leftover rotisserie chicken pieces, not a whole chicken, the method is the same. You'll need a little less water, about a half a cup, and only about 20 minutes to get the job done. If using rotisserie chicken in recipes is your thing, hit that red subscribe button. This video is part of a rotisserie chicken series, so no matter when you find it, check the links below. I'll have recipes and shortcuts for you in the description. See you next time.